Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the US. Happy Wednesday everybody. This is our little project we're going to be creating today. It's a adorable little gift card. Now I haven't made a gift card in quite some time, so I thought we would create one today. It's got an awesome little belly band that slides off, and when you open it, your gift card fits perfectly inside. And you have a little place to write your message. So, nice, quick and easy project. Great to give to a friend or for craft fairs. So I'm going to show you how we create this. Before we get started, if anybody is looking for a catalog and they don't currently have a Stampin' Up demonstrator that they order from, I'd love to send you one. Send me an email with your mailing address and I'd be more than happy to send you off a catalog in the mail. This catalog went live June 4th and oh my goodness, there's so many beautiful products in here. So for today, our cardstock is in Petal Pink. This piece is cut at 4 3/4 by 8 inches and we need to score this. I have a piece of Petal Pink and this is the belly band. This piece is cut at 1 1/4 by 11. I have some scrap Very Vanilla and this is going to be to cut or to punch out our flowers that we need. And I will have these measurements over on my website, as well as a detailed description. And then I have 2 pieces of the Perennial Essence Designer Series paper. And these 2 pieces are cut at 3 1/8 by 4 1/2. And then I have a piece of Very Vanilla. And this piece is cut at 3 1/8 by 4 1/2. And this is for the inside. So we need to do some scoring. I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring board, and this does come with a stylus tool at the bottom, and you'll notice it has 2 sides. It's got a bigger ball and a smaller ball, but we need to do some scoring, and our first score is at 1 1/4. And our next score is at 4 1/2. No, sorry. Take that back. Our next score is at 4 5/8. 4 5/8. So that's 1 tick mark after the half. All right. So that's our scoring done. I'm just going to fold and burnish my score lines. And now you can add your Designer Series paper. I'm using some multi-purpose liquid glue. You will notice on this one here, I actually used the Designer Series paper instead. This one here, I'm using cardstock as my base. I want to stick this piece inside here, so I'm going to stick that in there. Now there is a little score mark here because I was using that for a different project, but I don't like to waste. So even though there's a score line there, I think it looks okay. I'm not stressing. I'm going to take 2 glue dots and I'm just going to glue dot these corners. Just like so. Now we're going to stamp. The stamp set that I used today is Around the Corner, and I used It's Your Day, and then I used Make a Difference. Now, this stamp set's got some really cool little like to and from, hand stamped by, crafted just for you. So there's some cute little sentiment thingies down on the bottom. So that's why I chose this set. And then my ink today, I'm using the Petal Pink. I also stamped a 2-inch circle. Now, when using photopolymer stamps, you want to use your Stampin' Pierce mat to do the stamping. And you're going to ink up your stamp. There's my paper. And you're just going to stamp It's Your Day. I also have the to and the from. And I'm just going to stamp to. And then from down on the bottom. And now I'm going to attach this to the inside. Just like so. And now for the belly band, you can decide whether you want your belly band to slide on and off like so, or whether you want your belly band to slide on and off like so. So what I did was I just took my piece and I wrapped it around. I didn't want it to be too tight. I still wanted it to be able to go on, like slide on and off. And then I just came in with a little tear and tape. Now I want to cover this up. You always want to make sure you try and cover this up. So I got my 2-inch circle and I'm just going to stick a little adhesive over there. What I'm going to do now, my very vanilla piece, I'm going to punch out some flowers, and we need 6. You're going to take your flowers. I just have a sponge dauber and I am going to sponge my flowers just to give it a little bit more of a realistic look. And you're going to do that to all 6 pieces. You are now going to layer your flowers together. And again, I'm just using my liquid glue and adding a little dollop in the center and then offsetting my flowers. Ooh. Like so. I got a little Winker Stella. I love this stuff. It's glitter in a brush. And I'm just going to glitter all my flowers. I have some gold faceted gems and I'm going to use my pick your up tool, take your pick tool, and just place these little gold gems in the middle. use my hand just to kind of curl up the flowers a little bit. And now I can go ahead and add this onto that circle. Super cute project, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you guys are new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, you can do so by hitting that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that little bell. That will notify you every time I upload a video. All the supplies I used in today's video, you can find them down in the description below. And if you click on that, that will head you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I hope to see you back here on Friday. We'll see you then. Take care.